Hi, I'm Seth from Infotainment.com, here with this week's infotainment and automobile industry update for the week of March 16th. Ford's president of North America, Jumar Galhotra, announced they'll be reassessing when to resume production in their North American plants. In a written statement released via the Ford Media website, Galhotra stated, Ford's top priority is the health and safety of our employees, dealers, customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. In light of various governments' orders to stay and work from home, Ford is not planning to restart their plants in the US, Canada, and Mexico on Monday, March 30th, as originally hoped. We're assessing various options and working with union leaders, including the United Auto Workers and Unifor, on the optimal timing for resuming vehicle production, keeping the well-being of our workforce top of mind. We'll provide additional updates as details are confirmed. The country's private sector has come together in a coordinated effort called StopTheSpread.org to help respond to the COVID-19 health emergency. GM, a participant within the group, is collaborating with the respiratory care products manufacturer Ventec to ramp up production. More specifically, Ventec will leverage GM's logistics, purchasing, and manufacturing expertise to build more of their critically important ventilators. With GM's help, Ventec will increase ventilator production, said Chris Kipley, Ventec Life Systems CEO. By tapping their expertise, GM is enabling us to get more ventilators to more hospitals much faster. This partnership will help save lives. Mary Barra, GM chairman and CEO, stated, "We are working closely with Ventec to rapidly scale up production of their critically important respiratory products to support our country's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. We'll continue to explore ways to help in this time of crisis." Other automakers have joined StopTheSpread.org and are leveraging their vast resources to help the country meet critical needs for supplies required for treatment and use by first responders in the healthcare industry. If your company would like to contribute in some way, visit StopTheSpread.org for more information about the organization itself and the various ways that you can help. And that's our update for this week. Remember to stay safe during these trying times. Hopefully, better days will be here soon. To keep up with all the news and updates in the vehicle and infotainment industry, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to visit our website at www.infotainment.com. See you next week.